Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fast up the Microsoft Edge browser. Sometimes people face the issues of their Microsoft Edge browser slowdown. This has happened for many reasons, but if you do the some steps in your Edge browser, it will be more faster. Let's learn how you can do this. So first you have to open your Edge browser. So in your Edge browser, first you have to clear the cache of your browsing history. If you are browsing many times, your browser cache will be stored the many data. So first you have to clear the cache of your browsing history. So here you have to click on the three dots icon. Then you have to click on the history. It will be open the history window. Here you have to click on the clear browsing data icon. It will be open the clear browsing data window. Here you have to select the times. Then you have to select the all options. Then you have to click on the clear now. This will be clear the entire browsing history and free up the space and make it more faster of your Edge browser. The second option, you have to clear the unwanted extension, because the unwanted extension capture the more space and slow down your Edge browser. So you have to remove that. So you have to go to settings. Then you have to click on the extension. It will be open the extension window. Then you have to click on the manage extension. It will be open the extension section. Here it will be listed for the all extension what you installed already. So we have to remove for that. Already I have disabled some extension. So if you would like to remove this extension, you have to click on the remove. You have to remove for the all unwanted extensions. After removed the unwanted extension, your Edge browser has been improved the performance. So in this way, you can fast up the Microsoft Edge browser. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.